the figure above shows a shaded triangular region with a hypotenuse of 5 right here has been removed from a rectangular tile x by y, of which of the best is the is the area of the entire tile. Okay, this entire tile. So the first step we're going to do is we're going to recognize that these are basically 30, 60, 90 special triangles. Okay, so because you have your 30 degrees here and 90, that's going to be 60, and 30, 90, and that's going to be 60, and that is also going to be 60. So all of these are 30, 60, 90 special triangles. Okay, so we can start with that with this 5. So if you remember the 30, 60, 90 special triangles, the way they work is if you have this right triangle, and this is the hypotenuse, let's just this is the smallest angle 30 and this is 60, and if the hypotenuse is, let's say, is x, then the smallest um, side, which is right across from 30 degrees, is going to be half the length of the hypotenuse, x by 2, and the intermediate side is going to be root 3 by 2x. Okay, so we can use this information to get to come and try to find the other sides here. So this is 5, this hypotenuse is going to be 10, twice as much, and then this one is again opposite to 30, so it's going to be 5, and this intermediate size is going to be this 10 hypotenuse times root 3 by 2, which is 5 root 3, and so on. We can go and we can calculate everything. The hypotenuse is half of that is 5, and so we have here, this is hypotenuse is 5, the smallest side is going to be 2.5. So we already calculated the side y now. Okay, so the y is 2.5 plus 5, 7.5, and then we already calculated the x, which we said was 10 times root 3 by 2, which is 5 root 3. So we are trying to get at the area. So the area of this entire rectangle is going to be 5 root 3 that we calculated right here times 7.5, which we calculated using special triangles right here. So that, let's go ahead and multiply that and see what we get as the answer. So when we go ahead and multiply 5 times 7.5 times root 3 is 1.73, then we get approximately the answer to be 64.875. So essentially that is going to be choice D as the correct answer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.